Output devices. Interface between computer and the user. Convert the machine readable information into human readable form. The following categories are display monitors, printers, plotters, voice output system, projectors. Printers and plotters provide the physical form of output known as hard copy. Monitors, voice output system and projectors provide temporary output known as soft copy. Display monitors, soft copy output devices. Cathode ray tube, CRT, liquid crystal display unit, display monitor, LCD, thin film transistor monitor, TFT, cathode ray tube, phosphor coated fluorescent screen, and a source electron known as electron gun. Hit the screen comprises small dots known as pixels, electromagnetic coils. Electromagnetic coils, electron gun, and screen. Phosphor coated fluorescent screen. CRT monitor. High contrast ratio and color depth, because of which change in resolution without affecting the clarity of the picture. It consumes a lot of power and produces a large amount of heat. लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले मॉनिटर लिक्विड क्रिस्टल टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड होता है. Molecules easily flow in different directions and have a capability to bend a beam of light. Power consumption by an LCD monitor is very less. Pixel it has fixed resolution, which the images on an LCD monitor become blurred when the resolution is changed. Weak color quality as compared to CRT monitor. Thin film transistor TFT monitor. Thin film transistor technology along with liquid crystal technology to improve the quality of the image. Transistor switch as well as capacitor is used, and each pixel is controlled separately. Printers, colored resolution, memory and speed. Features: color, resolution, memory and speed. Printers can be classified into two major categories, namely impact and non-impact printers. Mechanical contact between print head and paper. Impact printers. Mechanical contact between print head and paper, responsible for transferring the ink into the paper. Dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printers and drum printers. The dot matrix, daisy wheel and drum are impact printers. Dot matrix printer, black and fourth movement of a print head. Dot matrix printer, the characters are formed out of matrix containing dots. Dot matrix printer is capable of printing a complete line of characters at a time, producing carbon copies. Content of the printed data is more important than the quality of printing. Low printing speed as well as printing quality. Daisy wheel printers. Disk containing characters on the edge. Printing of characters is in different fonts. Printing text only and not graphic. Daisy wheel. Printing text only, not graphics. Print approximately 10 to 75 characters per second. Drum printer. Characters are engraved on a cylindrical drum. Non-impact printers. Exist no mechanical contact between printhead and paper. These printers spray ink on the paper with the help of a nozzle. Inkjet printer, laser printer. Inkjet printer produce an image by spraying small droplets of ink on the paper. Magnetized plate guides and sprayed ink to form the particular shape of a character. 300 dots per inch and produce graphics and images. Laser printers produce images with the help of laser beam. Copier machine. Same technology used is copier machine. The laser beam electrically charges the drum coated with selenium and then transfer the entire document which is to be printed to it. Roll into the dry powder ink known as toner. Laser printers have a high speed and resolution. Special purpose printers, photo printers, thermal wax printers, dye sublimation printers. Plotters print high quality graphics and images. One or more pens it use as substitute to the colored printers. Cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Categories on the basis of work: drum plotters, flatbed plotters, inkjet plotters, electrostatic plotters. Drum plotter pen is moved vertically, that is along the y-axis, and paper wrapped on the drum is moved horizontally, that is along the x-axis. Flatbed plotter, position of the paper is kept constant. Pen can be moved both along x and y axis. Inkjet plotter. Inkjet plotter, spraying ink droplets on the paper, high speed and produce high quality output as compared to other plotters. Electrostatic plotters. Electrostatic plotter are plotters in which electrostatic charges are used to draw images and graphs. Fastest plotter and produce an output of high quality and resolution. Voice output system, voice response system. One uses a reproduction of human voice and other sounds. The other uses speech synthesis. Two types. Sound input in the analog form and converts it into digital form. The basic application of voice output system is in interactive voice response IVR system. Projectors, ultra light portable projectors, conference room projectors, fixed installation projector. Ultra light projectors are small in size and therefore referred as portable projectors. Terminals, combination of an input device and an output device. Keyboard and display monitor. Intelligent terminals, smart terminals, dumb terminals. Possesses all the processing power. It does not require any processor but instead performs all the tasks by itself. It requires the help of a processor to perform complex operations. It only displays the data received from the processor. Soft copy output monitor, non-impact printers. Mechanical contact does not exist between printhead and paper. Ink is sprayed on the paper with the help of nozzle. Non-impact printer. Plotters plot high quality graphs and images. Terminals, collection of input device and output device that helps a computer receiving as well as transmitting data. Intelligent terminals possesses all processing power. Smart terminals possesses small Smart terminals possesses small processing power, help of a processor to perform certain operations. Dumb terminal, no processing power, it does not perform any operation by itself. Output devices are devices which help in communicating the processed data to the users. Monitor is one of the most essential and commonly used output device. CRT, TFT, and Wanda are the three main types of display monitor. Non-impact printers do not have mechanical contact between print head and paper. Dot matrix printers contain a ink ribbon which is hit by a print head to form impression on the character of on the paper. CRT is abbreviation for cathode ray tube. Liquid monitor consists of liquid molecules. Dot matrix printers are best suitable for fields where content of the printed data is more important than the quality of printing. Inkjet produce a high quality drawing as compared to printers. Projector helps the user to project a big picture of the generated output. Smart dumb smart Smart terminals contains a built-in logic which is capable of processing the data. Dumb terminals are not capable of processing the output. Fixed terminal are most expensive. Expensive projector. The portable projectors are also known as ultra light projectors. URS VRS records the simple messages in human speech form and then combines them to form a single message. In drum plotters, both pen and paper are moved in opposite direction to plot graph and or an image. Laser printer use a laser beam to produce an image on paper. A daisy wheel printer is the impact printer that produces. A TFT monitor uses thin film transistor technology to improve the quality of image. The power consumption by an LCD monitor is less as compared to CRT monitor. The quality of image of a CRT monitor is better than LCD monitor. Which of the following is not an output devices? Scanner is not an output devices. While plotter, printer and speaker is output devices. Which of the following monitors are commonly used in desktop computers? CRT monitors. Which of the following are properties of a printer? Resolution, speed, pages per minute. All the above. Which of the following printers print by spraying ink on the paper? Laser printer. Which of the following units can be used to measure speed of a printer? Pages per minute ppm. Which of the following devices are capable of producing large format drawings like graphs and construction drawings? Flatbed plotters. Which of the following is a hard copy output device? Printer. Which of the following is an impact printer? Dot matrix printer. Which of the following is non-impact printer? Laser printer. Which of the following is one of the component of a CRT? Electromagnetic coils. Component of CRT. In which of the following plotters both the pen and papers are moved to produce an image? Drum plotter. In which of the following plotters the graphs are plotted by spraying ink on the paper? Inkjet plotter. Which of the following are the component of a projector? Optic system and display. Which of the following are portable projectors? Ultralight projectors. Which of the following devices are included in a terminal? Keyboard and monitor. One input and second is output. Any one input and output का mix up. Which of the following is a type of terminal? Intelligent terminal, dumb terminal. Computer codes are also referred as binary codes. All the number system used as computer profession interact with computer system came under the category of positional number system. Decimal system, binary system, hexadecimal system, octal system. Base 10. The system is also known as base 10 decimal integer. As the decimal system can be used to represent both the integer as well as floating point values. Binary. The system also known as base 2 system. 1 bit, it is the smallest unit of information used in a computer system. Nibble, it is combination of 4 bits. Byte is 8 bits combination, इसे बाई 8 भी बोलते हैं. Word, it is combination of 16 bits. Double word 32 bits. Kilobyte 10-24 bytes of information. Megabyte 10-24 किलोबाइट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. गीगाबाइट 10-24 मेगाबाइट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. place value of place values in binary system. 4-bit binary representation of decimal numbers 0 through 15 means 2 to the power 4 minus 1. Hexadecimal system. This number system is known as base 16 system. Symbols are digits 0 to 9 and the letters A, B, C, D, E, F. F means 4 times 1. A means 10, 10. B means 10, 11. C means 11, 0, 0. D means 11, 0, 1. E means 11, 10. 15 means 11, 11. Which is F? पॉइंट के जस्ट राइट साइड में माइनस में पावर स्टार्ट होगी एंड लेफ्ट साइड में 0. ऑक्टल सिस्टम. द नंबर सिस्टम नोन एज द बेस 8 सिस्टम. सिंबल्स आर डिजिट्स 0 to 7. ऑक्टल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. 4-bit binary code decimal BCD. The main advantage of BCD system is that fast and efficient system to convert the decimal numbers into binary numbers as compared to the pure binary system. Weighted 4-bit BCD code, XS3 BCD code. Means two most popular 4 BCD system are weighted 4-bit BCD code and XS3 BCD code. Weighted 4-bit BCD code. 4-bit BCD code is more commonly known as 8421 weighted code. 0 से 9 तक है. 9 तक मीन्स 101. Apart from 8421, some others weighted BCD codes are 4221, 2421 and 5211. Therefore, 8421 BCD representation of decimal number 5327 is 5 का बाइनरी में 0101 एंड 3 का 0011, 2 का 0010 एंड 7 का 0111. ये लिख लेंगे. 4-bit का बिट 8421 BCD रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगा. एंड कन्वर्ट द 159 to 8421 BCD कोड. 1 का 0001, 5 का 0101, 9 का 1001. कन्वर्ट डेसिमल नंबर 84.37 to 8421 BCD कोड. 8 का 9 से पहले 1000, 7 का 7 8 से पहले मीन्स 0 ट्रिपल टाइम्स 1 एंड पॉइंट 30011 40100. Determine the decimal number corresponding to 8421 BCD code. 01001001. इधर से 4 टाइम्स ले आए तो ये 9 हो गया, ये हो गया 4, 49 एंड 4 इंटू डेसिमल नंबर में, और ये बाइनरी का है तो 4 इंटू 2 की पावर 1 प्लस 9 इंटू 2 की पावर 0. ऐसा नहीं है. देयरफॉर द डेसिमल नंबर इक्विवेलेंट टू 8421 कोड इज 49.0. 49 पॉइंट ऐसा है. डिटरमाइन द डेसिमल नंबर कोरिस्पॉन्डिंग टू द 8421 BCD कोड. 01110 011 इधर से 4 में 0011 3 01 1 A and 3. 3A 1 3 7 4 4 times जीरो है। ओके ओके, जीरो के बाद पॉइंट है। डिटरमाइन द डेसिमल नंबर कोरिस्पॉन्डिंग टू 84 21 BCD रिप्रेजेंटेशन। तो 4 टाइम्स इधर का लेंगे तो 101 5 का हो गया। 0 0 0 1 0, दिस इज 10 2 5 2 1 पॉइंट 6। Access 3 BCD code does not use the principle of positional weights. This code is a non-weighted BCD code. First adding 3 to all the digits of the number and then converting the excess digits. Apart from access 3 code, the other non-weighted BCD code is 4-bit gray code. The convert the decimal number 85 to XS 3 BCD code. So add the 3 to 8 and 5. This will be 11 and 8. 11 means 10 1 1, 10 and 11, and 8 means 1 4 times 0, and represent the decimal number 173 in excess 3 BCD code. Add 3 to all means 4 10 7. 4 means 100, 10 means 10 10, 3 means, so 7 means 1 0 1 1 1. सॉरी 3 3 6 होता है ना, हाँ सॉरी 7 मैंने बोल दिया, 4 आता तो 0 1 1 1 की जगह 0 1 1 0. कन्वर्ट द डेसिमल नंबर 3 4 5 6 इंटू एक्सेस 3 BCD कोड. 3 ऐड कर देंगे तो 6 7 8 9, 6 का 1 1 0, 7 का 0 1 1 1 1, 3 टाइम्स 1, 8 का 1 0 0 0, 9 का 1 0 0 1. 8-bit base 4-bit BCD system inadequate for representing handling non-numeric data. For this purpose, 6-bit BCD and 8-bit BCD systems have been developed. 8-bit BCD system. The 8-bit BCD system can handle numeric as well as non-numeric data with almost all the special characters such as plus, minus, hashtag नहीं है, स्टार, ऑब्लिक, $, etc. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code EBCDIC. 8-bit codes. 3 most popular 8-bit BCD codes. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code EBCDIC. American Standard Code for Information Interchange ASCII. Gray coded EBCDIC. 8-bit alphanumeric code that was developed by IBM. Control character FF is used to feed the next page into the printer or reject the current page from the printer. EBCDIC codes are generally the decimal and the hexadecimal representation of different characters. Null equals to 0 for the decimal and the hexadecimal representation. ESC 39 and 27. Decimal representation of ESC is 39 and hexadecimal is 27. ASCII second 7-bit BCD code to handle 128 characters, but later it was modified to an 8-bit code. ASCII second code by just holding down the Alt key and typing the ASCII code. ASCII decimal Code 66 represents the character B. A to I. Capital A 65, small a 97. Gray code. The most significant bit MSB of a gray coded number and the equivalent binary number is always the same. The next two most significant bit of binary number can be determined by adding MSB of the binary number to the next two most significant bit of the gray coded number. Convert gray coded number 110 10011 in its binary equivalent. ग्रे को बाइनरी में चेंज करते हैं तो MSB सेम होगा, 1 का 1 ही होगा। एंड देन 1 में +1 आगे वाला ऐड करते जाते हैं और इसमें हम लोग next two most significant bit binary can be determined by adding the MSB of the next two most significant bit of the binary number can be determined by adding the MSB of the binary number to next two most significant bit of the gray coded number. Given gray coded is this following the table list. ग्रे से बाइनरी में आगे वाला जोड़ते जाते हैं। सो 1 तो 1 ऐसा ही रहेगा, MSB है, नो चेंज। एंड 1 + 1 नेक्स्ट वाला दैट विल 0 एंड 1 + 0 ये 1 इधर कैरी नहीं लेते हैं, देयर इज नो कैरी। तो मीन्स नो, MSB को जोड़ते जाते हैं। उधर MSB 1 + 1 0 हो गया तो 0 + 0 0 एंड देन ये इधर का जो MSB 0 रहेगा वो 1 के साथ ऐड हो जाएगा, ऊपर वाले 1 के साथ। एंड देन ये 1 दे देगा, फिर इधर 1 आ जाएगा MSB, फिर उस ऊपर साइड 0 रहेगा, प्लस ऐड हो जाएगा। एंड देन फिर इधर 1 आ जाएगा, 1 इधर का MSB और ऊपर का 0 ऐड होके फिर 1 दे देगा। 1 इधर का MSB और ऊपर फिर से 1, वो 0 हो जाएगा। और इधर वो मैटर नहीं करना हम लोगों का कैरी, हाँ। तो 1 1 0 0 MSB हो गया एंड 0 में ऊपर का 1 ऐड हो गया, फिर 1 हो गया। तो हम देखते हैं 1 एंड 0 0 1 1 0 1। कन्वर्ट द ग्रे कोडेड 10 10 1 1 0। तो 1 का 1 0 1 एंड ये 0 एंड 1 का इसका सेकेंड वाले नंबर का भी 1 आ जाएगा एंड 1 इधर का इसमें ऐड ऑन किया तो 0 एंड कैरी नो मैटर। तो 0 और 0 फिर से 0, फिर 0 और ऊपर का 1 तो 1 1 1 है, फिर से 0 0 और ऊपर का 1 फिर से 1, फिर 1 एंड ऊपर का 0 फिर से 1। Hence binary equivalent to gray code, okay? The most significant digit MSB binary number and gray coded number is always the same. The next MSB of gray code number can be obtained by adding subsequent pair of bits of the binary number starting from the left and then right, okay? बाइनरी टू कन्वर्ट द बाइनरी टू ग्रे, बाइनरी से ग्रे में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए MSB को नहीं ऐड करते हैं हम लोग, इधर हम लोग सब सिक्वेंट पेयर को ऐड करते चले जाते हैं लेफ्ट साइड से। तो 1 का MSB 1 ही होगा, 1 + 0 1 1, ठीक है। एंड देन 0 + 1 1 1 + 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 + 1 1 एंड 1 + 1 0। There is no carry matters. And for this number binary 0 का 0 MSB एंड देन फिर 0 + 1 1 हो जाएगा, 1 + 0 1 हो जाएगा, 1 0 + 1 1 हो जाएगा, 1 + 0 1 हो जाएगा, 0 0 0 हो जाएगा, 0 + 1 1 हो जाएगा, एंड 1 + 0 1 हो जाएगा। 16-bit Unicode. 16-bit Unicode is an international 16-bit characters set that contains the maximum 2 to the power 16, which equals to 6553 different characters. MS Windows, Linux, Mac OS X. Conversion of numbers: non-decimal to decimal, decimal to non-decimal, octal to hexadecimal, non-decimal to decimal, binary to decimal conversion, hexadecimal to decimal conversion, octal to decimal conversion. अगर बाइनरी है ना तो बेस को 2 लेके चलते हैं, और अगर पॉइंट के लेफ्ट साइड, लेफ्ट इन द साइड, व्हेन पॉइंट के लेफ्ट साइड 2 की पावर 0 से स्टार्ट होती है, ओके, एंड राइट साइड 2 की पावर -1 से स्टार्ट हो, एंड इट इज़ ऑब्वियस इफ 0.1 it says 0.1 equals to 10 to the power -1. For the 0.1 the 1 have the value 1 into 10 to the power -1. Similarly the base is changing 10 to the power -1. If 0.2 then 2 into 10 to the power 2 to the power -1. And for 1.0 it shows 1 into 10 to the power 0. Similarly, if it is binary, so here 2 to the power 0 for the 1 unit, and then add the all its place value by multiplying in such a way we will get the decimal system from binary to decimal. If there is conversion of hexadecimal it will take the base 16 and a is represent 10 10 10 5 0 1 0 1 3 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, ठीक, एंड ए रिप्रेजेंट 10। अब हेक्साडेसिमल में ना ABCDEFGH 16 है हेक्साडेसिमल, इट मीन्स कि ये 16 नंबर तक रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। 5 का 5 ही रहेगा, 3 का 3 का, ए का 10 वैल्यू होता है। कन्वर्ट द 6B39 हेक्साडेसिमल है तो 16 तक का ये वैल्यू लेगा, तो इधर आपको बाइनरी में नहीं जाना है, आपको B मीन्स 2 होता है, B नहीं, A फॉर 10 B फॉर 11, ओके। तो 6 इंटू 16 टू द पावर 3, 11 इंटू B की वैल्यू 11 वैल्यू होगी, पॉइंट की इधर है, तो बस कन्वर्ट द हेक्साडेसिमल 6A फॉर 10 6D एंड A फॉर 10 BCD 11 12 13 D फॉर 13। Convert the AB to 1.34 hexadecimal into decimal system. Decimal system में 2 to the power 16 to the power माइनस, hexadecimal बेस तो 16 ही होता है। A for 10 B for 11 2 1, अब 3 इंटू 16 टू द पावर -1 हो जाएगा, 4 इंटू 16 टू द पावर -2 हो जाएगा, एंड इधर 1 इंटू 16 टू द पावर 0 हो जाएगा, प्लस एड ऑन करेंगे प्लेस वैल्यू सभी की, 6A 11.3B A for 10 and B for 11। ऑक्टल टू डेसिमल, ऑक्टल मीन्स 8 होता है, तो इधर बेस 8 लेके चलेंगे, 5 3 2 4 एंड 8 का इधर बेस रहेगा, 8 बेस है तो इधर ABCD यू कांट यूज़, बिकॉज ऑक्टल है तो 8 तक नंबर्स के सभी रिप्रेजेंटेशन हम लोगों को पता है बाइनरी में, तो हेक्साडेसिमल तभी आएगा ABCD जब वो हेक्साडेसिमल की बात करें, हेक्सा की बात करें, डेसिमल की बात करें, तो हम बेस 16 हम लेके चलते हैं। डेसिमल टू नॉन डेसिमल मीन्स डेसिमल टू बाइनरी, डेसिमल टू हेक्साडेसिमल, डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल कन्वर्जन। सो 2 से डिवाइड करते हुए जितने रिमाइंडर बचते जाते हैं उनको हम लोग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिख देते हैं, और फिर हम लोगों को मिल जाता है आवर डिज़ायर्ड बाइनरी नंबर। सो यहीं तक रखते हैं।